Guys, this is crazy. Do the honors. Unbox that turbo. This is probably like the manifold and all the everything we need. Sheesh.
What did I tell you they're gonna drop it off today?
I know. I was expecting Monday. Out of nowhere, I opened the door and it's just there. Like nobody rang the doorbell. Like I've been down here. Oh my god. It looked a lot smaller in pictures. Not gonna lie.
Jeez.
That thing is big, bro. Keep in mind, this fool is like 6'3", 6'4". He weighs like 220, 240.
Ready for this?
That fool big.
What up?
Jeez.
There's turbo.
Bruh, look at the size of this thing. George, why didn't you pick up, fool?
He's gonna put it on.
Wait, give me a second. Hey, you want to see something?
What?
Mhm.
Him?
Sheesh. That shit's big as a watermelon way. That's a size comparison.
Oh, dude. That's crazy.
They ain't ready for it.
Dude, I still can't believe it. This is crazy. And Axel's gonna be unboxing the rest. Like it's literally all brand new equipment. We're not gonna use any of the old. Like this is like a full-on kit. Honestly, I don't even know what half of this is.
But guess what? I still won't find out how to install it. I just want to see how your exhaust manifold looks. Hey, all I'm saying, they ain't ready. Here we go.
Oh, that's what it is.
Here's a lid.
Oh, that right here.
Sheesh. Bro, honestly, you should go for a custom manifold
Why?
just to make it look nice.
He's winning way.
Look at that shit.
Dude, that's nice. Should have brought the watermelon.
Nah, I'm opening the hood. Just leave this right there.
Oh.
This fool. I'm on my way. Damn. That's gonna be my car next week.
Hey, don't drop it.
Imagine. My car's next week.
Something peeking? Sheesh. Imagine.
Oh shit.
The what?
Yeah.
Yeah, them three. Thank you, bro.
I don't think you can see it.
I think that guy has the GTR, no?
That's like a
I think so.
Yeah.
nice.
To show you guys a size comparison, like I said, I'm gonna clean this up. I'm gonna put it away somewhere cool because it's crazy hot outside. It's been like 109 and 111 degrees outside. It's way too crazy. So I'm gonna clean up a little bit. I'm gonna bring the stock turbo, the pure turbo, and then now the big boost. This is crazy. Stock turbo, pure turbo, big boost. I'm gonna see if I can take pictures of them like side to side. That way you guys can see the little, like the actual like turbine inside. I'm gonna take pictures of all three and then show you guys how it looks like. Man, the stock turbo is small, and then Pure did a pretty good job. Look at that size. It's like almost 2 times. And then up to the big boost. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me lift it up. Yeah, it's nice and big. But yeah, this is crazy. Obviously, this guy doesn't have the manifold because we put it away, or else it would be a lot larger. But just look at the turbo, like physically, like the size. Like I'm still just mind blown. This is crazy, guys. So that was pretty much it for the unboxing. I didn't want to unbox every little thing because we have to wait a little bit for the BMW to get fixed. So hopefully the next video you guys see is me dropping off the BMW. Like I said, I just need to find like a day or 2 days to literally just put the stock turbo on. But like I said, with all the cars that are coming in, it's just, yeah, I literally have not found any time to do it. So yeah, today's video was super short, but hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video and are looking forward and are excited just like I am on the new build. So yeah, it's crazy. Like literally everything's gonna change. The way it looks, the power, like everything. It's gonna be like a brand new car. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.
2 of those special atomic bombs haven't gone